Welcome everybody, welcome to a POV drive of a Ford Mondeo Mark III spirited POV drive on a mountain road. As you can see, we're in the mountainous area of Sofia Hills. Today I'll be taking out this sporty Ford Mondeo Mark III 2-liter 145 horsepower. It's got meaty tires, meaty-ish I guess, you know, sport tires and such. Even though it's winter, it's all right. It's got halos on the front end, the number plates is to the side, and that's all you need to know about this sporty car. Plus big brakes. Oh fuck, I'm falling over. Big brakes and lowering springs. That is all you need to know, and we're going to be doing some fun, spirited, legal driving out in the mountain TOUGE roads. Let's do a start up. Let me just quiet. Let's do a nice quick startup and very clean. Righto. Right, so we are entering the sporty area of the video. I don't know. So it's still a bit more. Still a few people live around here, so I'm not going to be going too quickly on these roads, especially since you know it's illegal. But it's a bit more sporty. Mountain foams falling over. Can you get this? Loose things in the rear seats falling over. We've all been here. Impromptu sporty driving. So it's going to be a bit more technical video, I guess. Maybe, I don't know, than the previous POV that was uploaded some time ago. I don't know how much, because I want to talk about how the car feels. Even though this is not a review. The reason we're not filming a review is because there's hurricane winds outside. For some reason. So the car doesn't have any suspension modifications except the springs, right?
Yep.
And yet it has such a nice direct feeling for the steering itself, which you might not expect out of a 2-liter Ford Mondeo, you know, economy car, semi-economy. What kind of category is this car in?
Family saloon.
Family saloon, yeah. But yet it has a very nice direct feeling, heavy as well. Does this have like a computer? Is it electric?
It's hydraulic.
Hydraulic, so it's like real. Because oh no, well this is a big no-no in the spirited driving section of YouTube, I guess.
You can probably.
Not a green shift. When I saw a Scott, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, me too.
What we're trying to do in this video is do sensible spirited driving. We're not out here to do some crazy stuff. Because we are still, oh actually we're going 70. That's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright. So this is essentially the end of the first sporty section. Now we're going to get into the much less populated sections where if needed you can go faster, but I'm probably not going to do that because it's also higher in the mountain area. But it's so hot outside, I doubt we're going to have any kind of situations like in the tires video.
Yeah, I doubt it.
Right, so here we are entering the second section. One of the last houses of the city. But it's still got bus stops and such, so we don't really push it. And a fucking... Is that a kid or a human? Very hard to tell.
Well, it's got into the driver's seat, so...
I mean,
yeah.
Righto. Some kind of festival going up there. Unlike those roads that Matt Farah uses, where people are known to go and be sporty on, these roads do not have such a reputation, so people who don't go and drive sporty, they don't let you pass. That's our cue to do a cheeky. Don't put your fucking blinkers on. Only a slight bit of slip there. Actually, you gotta watch out with buses on these roads because people just wanna sometimes unnecessarily go for the overtakes. And we're back at the Ford friend. What kind of Ford is that even?
It's not a Cougar.
Yeah, that's the only like weird Ford I know. The Cougar.
Maybe Explorer, I think.
Aren't they like bigger? I don't know. It doesn't say
it's the
anything.
European Explorer.
Look at how small
no,
that
that's-
is. That's such a small car. Right, so once we pass the... Oh no. Oh no. The road here is very questionable. We finally did get past the weird Ford though. Very bumpy. Bumpy roads on tight suspension are not fun, especially since they can just throw you out of the road. Oh my. I mean, the guy with the weird Ford might just catch up to us on these roads. Right, so we're about to do the downhill part, the downhill Mount Akina TOUGE, right when the road becomes roady again. This is still on the unroady part. This is more like rally than TOUGE racing, which I mean is fun, but the current car setup is not set. It's not that so. And the road switches here. Ow.
Or there.
Or there, yeah. You know. Nice tight corner. It's a fake though. First and then is the tight corner. really not talking this video much.
Enjoy the sound.
Yes, enjoy the sound. Whoa, the rear end. Bumpy, bumpy. You gotta be careful on the bumps. Hello, Mercedes. Guy's driving a bit quicker than the Ford thing. So we're going to be unnecessarily risky to do a pass move, especially since there are cars in front as well. Whew.
That was good.
Yes. I think you can get the gist out of the sporty driving and how the car performs on the TOUGE. Is this even a TOUGE? Because TOUGE means mountain pass. I guess you
Well,
pass.
technically it's a mountain pass.
Yeah, I guess it is. You do pass through a mountain and end up on the other side.
Show them snowy hills.
It's very nice and snowy over there. It's got a Bulgarian flag if you don't know what that is.
Patriotism.
Patriotism. There's nothing more patriotic than going fast on public streets, public roads.
2 buses.
69, let's go. And 98, not as funny. Definitely not as funny, but a worse bus. Trivia, Sofia trivia section of the video. 98 is a worse bus than the 69. Right, guys, thank you for watching this little sporty drive of the Ford Mondeo out here in the Sofia Hills. If you want to see more things like this, leave a comment, a like, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.